Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to disable comments on Facebook post. So if you don't want someone to do comments on your post and you want make your post like a kind of a private for commenting, then you guys can turn off the simple commenting on your Facebook post. So in order to do this, you have to just simply follow me. First of all, you have to just simply open up Facebook application on your mobile phone. So after that, you have to just simply click on the your profile icon to open up your profile. So after opening up your profile, now what you have to do is you just simply scroll down until you're able to find that specific post in which you want to turn off the comment. So I just want to turn off the comments in this post. So for that, I have to just simply click on the top right corner of three dots of that specific post. Here it is. So after tapping on those three dots, now what you have to do is you have to just simply click on this who can comment on your post. So you have to simply click on that specific post, and here what you have to do is here it is showing you the four options. So here in these four options you guys cannot even see the specific which is only me or private, this kind of option. So you have to don't worry about it, and you simply have to just simply select the last option, which is profiles and pages you mentioned. So what it can basically do is whenever you switch to this option, you guys can allow those people to comment on your profile which you have mentioned. So if you doesn't mention someone or someone profile or page, then nobody can do comment on your Facebook post. So I hope this method find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.